Okay, welcome back friends. Now let us find a new method. Let us learn a new method to find the cube root of a number by estimation method. Okay, so we are going to learn about the estimation method of finding the cube root of a number. Okay, so suppose we are given 857375, this number, and they say find out the cube root of 857375. Okay, so let's find the cube root of this number. What we do initially is we make groups of 3 from the right side. So from the n, I take the first group and then I take the second group. Okay, like this. Now in the first group I'll get one number, and in the second group I'll take another number. Okay, we are going to write two numbers. So cube root of, now see, this is 5, right? So the cube root of which number ends in 5? Right? Or if the cube is 5, what will be the cube root? Let us just see. We have to remember this. If a number ends in 1, its cube root also will end in 1. See, right? The number ends in 1, its cube root will also end in 1. If the number ends in 8, its cube root ends in 2. If a number ends in 7, its cube root ends in 3. If a number ends in 4, its cube root ends in 4. Same way 5, cube root also will be 5. 6, the cube root will be 6, right? See, 6, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 9, 9, and 3 zeros will become 1 0. So 1, then 4, 5, 6, 9, and 0. They will not change, right? They remain as it is. Okay, but 2 and 8 interchange, you see, and 3 and 7 interchange in the cube root. This we have to know, right? So 2, 3, 8, 7 will change, or 2, 8, 3, 7, right? Other numbers will remain as it is. So when we come back to our sum, see, 5 is there, right? So 5 will remain as 5, right? See, okay, the cube root of 5 will always be 5. And now we take 857, the entire new group, 3 groups, right? 857. So we should know the cube of 1 cube to 10 cube. Now, 10 cube. So let's see. 1 cube is 1, then 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 5112, 9 cube 729, and 10 cube is 1000. So now what was our number? Our number was 857. Now you see, 857 is more than 9 cube but less than 10 cube, right? So it is more than 9 cube, less than 10 cube. So I will take 9. So up here I am going to write 9. So therefore the cube root of 8,57,375 directly is 95. That's our answer. See, very easy to find. Let's see, let's take another. See, let's take this number. Alright, if I want to find the cube root of this, what will I do? 3, and now only 2 remains. So now you see, 8 if we say, then the answer becomes 2. And 74, see, 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube 125. So it is less than 5 cube, right? So I will write 4 cube. So answer is 42. Okay, you see, we got 42. Very easy to find the cube root of any number by estimation method. And it is not only estimate, it is the actual value. The real value will come. Okay, so now let's do some sums. See, we are going to do this example, find the cube root of this number, and then in exercise 7.2 I already have finished this sum, in the previous video. We are going to now solve true and false, and then we are going to see the estimation method and solve these numbers, like 1331, right, is a perfect cube. So let us find the cube root. Same way, find the cube root of these three numbers. So we are going to solve all of them. Before we do that, let us just solve this true and false. Okay. First question is, the cube of any odd number is even. Now let us take an odd number. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. That's an odd number. 5 cube 125. Oh, odd number. So answer is false, right? It's not an even number. It has to be an odd number, right? A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Have you seen 10 cube? 10 cube is 1000. 3 zeros, right? The answer is true. If a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. Okay, let's check. Can the square end with 5? Yes, always. Let's say 5 square 25. It ends with 5. But the cube will end with 25. Let's check. Okay. Alright. 5 cube 125. Okay, it ends with 25. 15 cube. What is 15 cube? Let's check. 15 cube is 15 into 15 and 15. That is 3375. So our answer does not hold up here, right? So answer is false. Then there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. Oh, false. Because if it's 12 cube, so 12 cube will end in 8, right? 2 cube ends in 8, right? 12 cube will end in 8. 22 cube will end in 8. If the number ends in 2, its cube will end in 8. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. Let's think of 11 cube. What is 11? See, what is 10 cube? 10 cube is 1000. So that's a 4-digit number, right? So the smallest 2-digit number is 10. 10 cube is 1000, which is a 4-digit number. So answer, again, this is false, right? It cannot be a 3-digit number. It is minimum 4-digit number. The cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. Okay, let's check. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. So let us find the cube of 99. So 99 into 99 into 99 is 970,299. That's a 6-digit number, right? So it cannot be a 7-digit number, right? So answer is false. The cube of a single-digit number may be a single digit. Okay, let us take 1. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So you can see single digit number having single digit, it is 2. Okay, true. So we solved true and false. Now only these 5 sums remain to be solved. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that example, this example number 8. Let's do those sums, friends. So the question is, find the cube root of 17576 through estimation method. Okay, what we are going to do, we'll take the cube root of 17576, and as per our law, we'll make pair of 3 from the last, and then see another pair of 2. Okay, now let's take 2 arrows. Now see, if it ends in 6, the 576 ends in 6, its cube root also will end in 6. Okay, 6 and 6 are same. And now this is 17. Let's make the cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So see, 27 is more than 17. 2 cube is fine. So we have 8 and 27. So we'll check 8. So answer is 20. So the answer is the cube root of 17576 is 26. Okay, let's take the next sum. Now, okay, this we already solved, right, friends? Okay, so let's skip this. Now you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorizing what its cube root will be? Okay, we just did it. 1331, we are finding the cube root. So what we are going to do? We are going to first take 3 and then 1. Now see. So if the number ends in 1, its cube root also ends in 1, and 1 cube is 1 only. So I'll write 1. So answer is 11, right? So cube root of 1331 is 11. Okay, let's take another sum now. So let us find the cube root of 4913. Okay, so first let's take the cube root of 4913. Let's write cube root. Again, what I'm going to do, I'll take a pair of 3 and then 1 will remain, right? Let's take this number and this number. So if it ends in 3, its cube root ends in 7, right? And 2 and 4 is there. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Oh, 8 is bigger than 4. So answer will be 1. So answer is 17. Okay, let's take the next sum. I have find the cube root of 12,167. So what do we do first? We'll make a pair of 3 and then the remaining 2. Now again, see, let's take the values. So if it ends in 7, its cube root will end in 3 and 12. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27. Oh, that's big. 8 is 12 is small, bigger than 8 but smaller than 27. So we'll write 2 up here, right? So answer is 23. Let's take the last sum now. What is given? The cube root of 32,768. So we first made the we marked 3 and then 2, right? Mid arrows. Now say the last number is 8 up here. 8, the cube root will be 2, right? 2 and 8 make a pair. And 32 now we have. So 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. 64 is bigger than 32, but 27 is smaller. So I have 3 cube. So answer will be 32 cube will be 32,768, or the cube root of 32,768 is 32. Okay friends, this ends our chapter. Hope you understood it. It was a very interesting and very simple chapter. Bye friends.